What was once only sketches on paper is now being worn by many locals, giving Eli Chikoyono a new sense of enthusiasm to reach new heights in the fashion industry. 32-year-old Chikoyono began creative drawing from an early age, and through hard work and perseverance, he is now changing his dream into reality. Apenis Wangai Radovu with this young entrepreneur's success story.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
The Zuba Fiji Designs owner says an award at a very young age boosted his confidence to venture into creative designing.
When I was young, I've always been quite creative. I've always been drawing and coloring. My earliest memory of being good at art was in class 4. I don't know if you remember the Colgate coloring competition. From then I knew when I won in our whole class, there was probably about 42 students, and in the whole class I had won over this other girl from Rotuma.
Eli Chikoyono believes his creative skills came from his parents who now live in the United States.
My mom says it's from her side of the family that I'm creative, but my dad says that it's also from his side of the family. They like to say that my creative side is from their side, but maybe that's why I'm pretty good, because both of my parents claim to be quite creative.
During high school days, Chikoyono says he tried his hands at other areas of interest, but it did not appeal to him.
I tried music, but I'm not good at either singing or playing an instrument. So when I did art, I really enjoyed it, and I thought, no, I'll probably stick with art.
It was in 2015 when he decided to follow his dream and enter the fashion industry.
But it didn't take me until 2015 to really say, okay, if I can't step out now, this is, like there's no other time to start. The time is now. So that's what I said to myself in 2015 when I said, I should just start.
His biggest break came last week when Prouds agreed to sell his products in its Suva outlets. Chikoyono believes with hard work, people can overcome their challenges and become successful.
Every year you're constantly growing and you're constantly learning. As the business has grown, we've gotten a lot of support as well from a lot of clients. There's a lot of people that I meet and who support the brand, and that's nice to see where I started coming out of high school and dreaming, and now it's you're putting your ideas onto a piece of paper and then it literally comes to life.
Chikoyono will be going to study at a fashion school in Australia for 3 years and is confident to make a mark in the industry. Apenis Wangai Radovu, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.